Banana face mask for glowing skin. Banana is packed with some vital vitamins and nutrients that make banana face masks extraordinary beauty fix. Bananas protect our skin from free radicals and therefore delay the aging process. Some people go to the extent of terming bananas as Mother Nature's painless low-cost Botox. Why homemade banana face mask is good for your skin. Vitamin A gets rid of dark spots and blemishes. Evens out rough skin. Vitamin B delay aging, lessens dryness, moisturizes and lightens skin. Vitamin E work as the protector. Combats free radical impairment, boosts the skin's sun rays resistance, prevents and diminishes appearance of wrinkles. Potassium gets rid of dry skin by moisturizing and hydrating skin cells. Combined with other powerful nutrients from other natural ingredients, we can formulate effective banana face masks that can help in resolving various skin problems, such as combating wrinkles, removing pimples, skin brightening and many more. Not only you can eat a banana for your overall health, but apply it also on your skin as a natural face mask. Here is a rundown on 4 face masks that can be made by using banana as the main ingredient, especially selected by our team, that can provide you with glowing, young and wrinkle-free skin. Just humble banana face pack, mash a ripe banana and apply on your face and skin. Let it sit on your face for 15 minutes and then rinse it off with cold water. If you have time, massage your skin with ice cubes after this. The application of banana will make your face glow and even out the rough skin.